Have a big reno project? No friends or family that have spraying to do? This is the unit for you. Hey guys, Anthony from Go Industrial, and today we're going to be showing you an unboxing of the Graco Magnum Pro X17. So the Pro X17 is Graco's premium DIY Magnum stand spray unit. The unit offers a wide range of spray capability and exceptional durability. It's lightweight at only 12.3 kilos, or 27 pounds if you're American, and it's also quite small and compact, so it's easy to transport and move around your job site. The Pro X17 is suitable to spray any standard interior and exterior paints. It's also good for spraying stains or any oils if you've got any decking that needs some work. What it won't spray though is it won't spray any roofing membranes, texture coatings or solvent-based paints. So stick to water-based paints and yeah. It's a great all-round DIY unit, ideal for spraying between 10 and 40 litres in a given day. What that means is it's going to be more than enough for any DIYer to spray their interior, exterior, your neighbour's interior, exterior. While that sounds like a lot of paint, if you've got a small project, e.g. just one piece of furniture or something like that, this is still going to be an awesome unit for that. So when I say sprays up to 40 litres in a given day, doesn't matter how little you spray if you've just got small projects. It just means you can do the small projects and the big projects and not have to worry about your machine being overworked. It sits at the top end of Graco's DIY Magnum range and is ideal for anyone looking to spray a 3 to 4 bedroom house, interior and exterior. The next model down in the Magnum range is the X7, which is only rated for up to 15 litres of usage a day and is suitable for mainly just interior spraying or maybe a 2-bedroom interior exterior. If you're wondering what the difference is between the Pro X17 and the Pro X19, there's two main differences. So that is first configuration and then also motor size. So with the Pro X19, it comes on a cart mount with wheels, so it's going to be easier to transport, and the motor sizing, it's got a slightly larger motor, so with the Pro X17 you can spray up to 1100 litres a year. With the Pro X19 you can spray up to 1900 litres a year. Downside of the Pro X19, size. It's definitely much bigger, so if you've got a small space in your shed that you're looking to store it, or if you're transporting it around in your car, it may not be suitable for that. The added features of the Pro X range in the Magnum series just means that you're going to be able to spray everything from interiors to exteriors, fencing, bricks, you know, and everything in between. It's not suitable for trade use, however, so if you're a tradesman, look into a 190 or above. We'll put some links below for that. What sets the Pro X range apart from the other Magnum units is the ability and ease to replace consumable parts. For example, when replacing the pump, all you have to do is pull this lever up and then the pump slots out like that. From here, you can then replace the top section of the pump or the lower section of the pump. This just means that you're going to get a lot longer life out of your unit because you can replace those things that wear over time. Comparable to any unit below, that is the X7, X5 or the Project Plus, this is not replaceable. You can replace the whole set of it, however it's much more expensive. In saying that, they're still great units. It's just depending on the amount of usage you have. Another cool feature to check out is this little button here. So say that it's not priming for whatever reason and maybe you've gone off to lunch and you've just left it there for 10 minutes. Sometimes you can get a bit of skin on the ball, paint skin, and it just doesn't move. So pop this button while priming just a couple times and that should free up the ball. Priming again, happy spraying. So what comes in the box? Standard with the Pro X17 units, you'll get the unit itself, 15 meters of hose, the Graco SG3 gun, the Rack 5 spray guard, and also the 515 airless spray tip. You'll also get a small Graco pump armor, that's the storage solution for the unit. Prime that through afterwards, we've got a video link there. You'll also get the manual and the warranty information. Another thing to note is this little guy. What this is it's an attachment for the fast flush system. However, it is American, so if you're using it in Australia, you can screw it on, but you won't actually be able to connect your hose to it because we use quick connect fittings, not screw-in fittings. You can buy attachments from Bunnings and other hardware stores, so if you do want to use it, just keep that in mind. Just remember that with all units below the Pro X range, that's the Project Plus, the X5 and the X7, they only come with 7.5 meters of hose. So that's something to think about when you're purchasing. Remember, Go Industrial is always running specials and promotions, so we do include other bonus goods in our kits. However, they're constantly changing, so if you want to see what the latest kit is, just check out the DIY sprayers link below. You'll be able to see all the kits there. You'll also get the Quick Start Guide flyer, links you to a series of videos where you get shown how to set it up, how to use it, and also how to clean it up. It's just a great sort of all-round series to help you start your first project. Hope this gives you a clearer idea of what spray unit is most suitable for you and your application. If you've got any further questions or need any more information, DIY sprayer link is below. You can click that to read more or just get in touch with us. Always happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more content. If you've got any recommendations on Graco content you want to see made, just comment it below. You.